Yeah, today I have this OPPO A55 that break take glass. Okay, we need to replace new glass for this phone. Now I remove carefully LCD out from frame. Yeah, carefully and one by
Nốt chữ
one.
câu chứ đọc mơ nó tròn phải biết nốt mơ lại cười đây
Okay, this side is
đọc bạc mới trên
dangerous. Okay, and now it
lấy những câu năm
pop
đây
up. I use
đánh bạc đôi chẳng đôi bạc như tên đôi càng cần biết được bạn
yes,
này
use
thì
some spray
bác
for
cái sạch
open it out and pull it out. Okay, it come. Yes, add more fry. It's not easy to pull it out because it keep with the glue from original factory. Okay, now I use the back of screen protect. Yeah, now it pop up. Okay, I can pull it out and okay, disconnect. Try to release it for clear place to fix. Yes, now I add the screen child protector camera. Next, now I clear all glue from the frame. Okay, this is side of earring speaker. Okay, clear this part. Yeah, and carefully and one by one try to fully clear all glue out from frame. Yes, now I need to use a tool knife cut out glue from the tight glass that carefully your hand and carefully for the LCD this side too. Yeah, look at this. Oh god, this all glue is dirty. Carefully for your hand. Okay, now I put this in the middle and keep it on the worm and cutting broken black glass out. Okay, now I cut it out ready and remove the glue OCA from the LCD. Yeah, right now I clean the old glue with spray. Okay, now the LCD is clean. Yeah, beautiful right now. More look at lights glass smooth. Yes, now I add gel OCA for add new glass. That this point is the point of front camera, so we add this to fill the camera. No, okay. Yes, and I put the UV light at this point. Okay, now put the LCD with my phone on the machine. Yes. Okay, now start it and wait the machine is work. Okay, now pull it out. After in this machine we need to add to put it on new machine. Okay, now put this out. Yes, it's clean and put it here maybe 10 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is my machine, my T8. Yes, now the minute is come to 0. Okay, open. Yes, now we get the beautiful LCD come back. Yes, the LCD is clean, not black touch and no some blank on LCD. And now after we repair to add glue back. Yeah. Yeah, now for the gun glue and carefully make sure your glue is fully closed on the frame. Okay. Make the line of glue is connected and smooth on the frame to protect your LCD from the waterproof or any problem.
Vâng, bạn đã xuống chấm định nhé, bật cao mà tích sinh.
Yeah, clear the camera protector and add glue at this point. Yeah, you can follow me. And this earring speaker must have to be add glue at below this seal. Yes, yes. And at the center place you can add a little glue. Okay, right now we put in the LCD and add the below first. Okay. Now you look it's good and add the and okay, now clean it. Yes, and finally we clean and add new screen for the customer, and our job is coming to ready. And thank you everybody for watching my video, and don't forget like and subscribe for improve me get new video for you and explain clearly to share knowledge for you. Thank you, bye bye.